All right, this meeting is being recorded now. So all we've done so far is we made a file and saved a file called LED demo so we can start writing code in here. And then I have my circuit over here. I'm going to unplug all the unnecessary things. So here's my Arduino, and then here's my breadboard. You can see the LED and the resistor. This is like the same circuit as you had for your first LED project. Just disregard this part. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug, you can't see, but just trust me. I'm going to plug the LED. I'm going to plug pin 2. I'm going to connect pin 2 with the positive terminal of the LED. And I'm going to plug, I'm just going to connect grounds together, right? Yeah, I'm going to connect the ground of my breadboard to the ground of my Arduino. And then, so I plugged in pin 2 where the LED is. So I'm going to declare that I'm going to do this hashtag define LED2. That tells the program that whenever I say LED, it means I mean pin 2. And the first thing I'm going to do, since I'm going to try to blink an LED, I'm going to set this out as the output, right? Okay. And then what else should I do? Let's make this interactive. What else should I do? First thing you want to do is you want to turn on the LED and turn off the LED, like, and loop through that, right? Okay. Any ideas on how to turn on the LED? Feel free to type in the chat. What I do to output some voltage into the LED pin? Yes, digital write. Digital write. I'm going to do digital write LED high. And then what I do to turn off the LED? Yes, digital write. Digital write LED low. But then there's something important you want to have here. Yes, put a delay in between. And do you know why? Let's make it like 100 milliseconds. So basically, if you don't have the delay, it's going to turn on and off like immediately after it turns on. So we won't be able to see the blink. Right. So now we have a delay of 100 milliseconds in between the high and low. But is there anything else we want to do? What is this going to do? Yes, we want to put in another delay, because without this, it'll just turn on, turn off, and then immediately go to the next iteration of the loop, turn on, turn off. But then we won't be able to see the off period, right? That's all of the code we have. I'm going to compile it, and then I'm going to upload it onto my Arduino, which is, yes, connected. And then we see that it's blinking. Voila. Voila. All right. Pretty simple, right? It's all good. All good stuff. Any questions about why this is blinking, why we have to do certain things? All right. So if I want to make this blink faster, what should I do? Yes, reduce delay. Let's go crazy and try to do 10 milliseconds. So I'm going to compile again. 1 millisecond, I don't know about 1 millisecond. And then now it's going to start blinking. I don't think you can even see the blink anymore because 10 milliseconds is very short. Yeah. Let's make it 50. See, it's faster. Yay. That's how it works. Hopefully this will help you be more comfortable with starting your first project with Arduino, if it is your first project. And that's all we have for you.